Hi everyone, it is Summer with AstariaSen, and I am doing the 12 crafts of Yule for 2019. If you are just joining in, it doesn't matter if it's day 11 or if it's day 5. Please feel free to look back among the videos. There's lots of different things that I'm doing. They're all going to be simple crafts, mainly stuff that you can find around the house, or cheap crafts. I get most of my materials at the dollar store, or just found items, or even thrift store type stuff. So the idea is to give you guys a craft you can do yourselves for gifts, for tree decorations, for altars, whatever kind of thing you want to do. And I'm leaving it open to interpretation, so you guys can kind of just do it however you'd like. So I hope you guys enjoy this series. Hey everyone, it is day 11 of the Yule craft series, and I have something pretty cool in store for you. We are going to do a crescent moon wreath. Now I'm going to be using stuff specific towards me. I am a crafter, and so I hand make my own pieces, and I have this little handmade dragon here that I had done last year, and he's just been sitting on my shelf just hanging out, and I figured he would look good on a wreath. And I have a red crystal. I'm not much of a red person, but I have a red crystal that I already strung up on a string so that you guys didn't have to watch me do that. And then I have all my decorations sitting here. So for the wreath, for the crescent wreath, what I did was I got a wreath from the dollar store, a circle one, and it looks like the wreaths from the dollar store don't look very full and stuff like that, so I thought it would be super perfect for this. So anyways, I got a wreath from the dollar store, and then I made a crescent out of it. All I did was push it in, and then I made the C shape out of it, and then I added a string so that it would hang. Now, this is going to be really simple, really easy, pretty much as far as I know. We'll see how it really goes. And then at the end, I will show you the other two wreaths that I have done. One is for myself, and one is a present for my grandmother. All right, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and push you guys downwards so you can see my table. Look at that. Awesome. So, first up, we're going to start down here at the bottom. And I made like a little shelf area for my little dragon to sit on. Look at that. Once I glue him down, he will sit real nice. Okay, so we're going to glue him down with some hot glue. And he should sit real nice on here. So, and anywhere he doesn't sit, we'll just glue around. Now, hot glue with polymer clay, because that's what I made him out of, isn't like the worst thing in the world. Super glue and E6000 is usually better, but I want the option to take him off the wreath if I want to take him off the wreath and add him to something else. So, and you don't have to use what I'm using. I mean, you can use anything. You can go down to the dollar store and get a dragon, or, a fairy, or you can get any kind of little tiny ornament, or I guess, what do they call those? Those little guys that you get, they're like this big, and you can make like village houses out of them for Christmas and stuff like that. I don't ever do those. So, but that is totally something that you can do. All right, and then we're just going to put some extra glue back here just to make sure he doesn't go anywhere until I want him to. That's it. And then we're going to make sure he is down good. Because if this sits outside, I don't want him to go anywhere. I want him to go somewhere only if I pull him off. All right. Now, I thought this would be a really fun project. I've never done wreaths before. This is my first time doing wreaths. And if you are looking for unique pieces like the one I have here, I do have a sale going on today until 9 p.m. Mountain Standard Time in my Facebook group, The Mystic Bazaar, which I will put a link to in the description. and you'll have to click on the event in order to buy anything that's in the sale. But yeah, it should be fun. So there he is. He's all set up and pretty. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I got these from Hobby Lobby for 99 cents. That's it. So the wreath was $1. This was $1. And I handmade my piece. So there's nothing I need to worry about there. We want, oops, there we go. I want pieces that will sit nice and pretty. There we go. I like that. I like this idea. So you kind of just have to decorate it any way that you want it to go. If you want just regular crystals, you can just add regular crystals. If you want to add glitter, add glitter. If this is going to be an inside piece, you have a lot more options because you can add, you know, like fake berries or something like that to it, to where it'll have a little more decoration on it. But I'm putting this outside and I don't want the wind, because the wind is awful in Wyoming, to run away with all of my fun stuff. I hope that makes sense. All right, so let's see. Next, we are gonna put you maybe up there a little bit more. How about that? I like that. Put him up there more. The whole idea is to make it easy, to make it fun and simple and not super expensive. And you can make these wreaths for anybody. If you know somebody who likes gnomes, go get a little gnome from, you know, wherever. Or if you have one lying around, go ahead and get it and create a little gnome village for it. If you know somebody who just likes pine cones, add pine cones to it and create it. And if you have a witchy friend, I mean, there's all sorts of things you can do to this. Adding crystals, adding, you know, any kind of spell bottles that you want, any kind of magic-y kind of things that you want. The possibilities, again, are completely and utterly endless. All right, here is what he's looking like, guys. What do you think? I like him. I like him a lot. I do. I wish that I could back up further for you guys, but I can't because I'm doing this on my phone, so you'll get to see the actual picture of it. All right, now we're going to add the crystal. And I'm actually just going to set the crystal on the end of my piece like this and kind of wrap it around a couple of times just so it doesn't go anywhere. And I have my piece completely done. Simple, easy. I'm pushing you guys back up. Hi, how are you? All right, so here we go. This is the wreath pretty much done. Now I can add a bunch of extra stuff if I want to. I can add glitter paint like I normally do, or, you know, anything else that I wanted to, but I kind of like it just like this. I'm really into simplistic kind of things. So here is my crescent moon wreath. I hope you guys enjoyed this small video, this tutorial. Really simple, really easy. Now I will show you the other ones that I have done. Now these ones are not dollar store ones. I got the wreaths from Hobby Lobby, and the gnome and the little Santa baby are my creations. So here's the one I made for my grandma. I hope she likes it. It is so cute. And I made the gnome, and I got these little trees for like $3 from Target. They're like $3 bin. And then I added fake, you know, glittery snow because, come on guys, I have to have glitter somewhere. Did you expect anything less? Really? Okay. And then the one that I made for myself that I just really like, it's so simplistic. It's so simple. The other one that I made for myself anyways. And I think this one, I don't know, I could switch them out and be both of them outside ones. Look at this. It's so cute. It's so cute. And see that little baby? He's sleeping. She's sleeping, whatever. Anyway, so these are my pieces. These are my beautiful, beautiful pieces. I think this one costed like 10 bucks, 50% off at Hobby Lobby. The other one was 4 bucks, 50% off at Hobby Lobby. So really, these costed me under 5 bucks to make, well, under $6 to make all of them. Pretty much, I guess it would be, I guess all 3 of them would have costed me 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I made it all for under 15. I made 3 wreaths for under $15, and they make beautiful gifts for other people if they like wreaths, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow for the very last Yule craft. And once I end the series, I will do an extra video talking about our surprise, because I'm so excited to do a surprise for you guys. All right, have a great day.